It's Tuesday morning into the new year of 2021, the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. Check if your time, 4 minutes after 10. This is GN Radio, available on my tuning and also GN mobile app on Apple Store.
So the essence of my praise
is a brand new thing, okay?
Centered on your
Radio Garden and of course GNRadioUK.com.
Hey,
we are live. Adruminti and now Ochodi and Ponyankopa de Achebium. Yamobiara, Happy New Year. I feel for free Ligawa, first edition into the new year. And Asabri de Ebro free Daniel Quell of Fortwell Solicitors. And I pay Adumi Binti Waja Edi Umu every Sunday.
On your grace,
Onyameno and Edini Ye, Bia Ekoso Edi Mao. And I pay Yamfa na say mo twedi amponyankopa adumura odo na woche na wanyisika
turn my morning into day.
Oche emesu obi biara so.
That's your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my
Samre ye kwakofa dade ekwe ewa homano so na afie na atwetwe nkomo ewa hadom. Brizit in some semi na no bo enya bawie the mua cemetery say ebeboa ye nyina some reproducer fami to so na yemfa dade ekwe na ye no entwetwe nkomo wa ha.
So the essence of my praise
ya liga wa me patwa enadwumadie yi so pese o contribute to a me patwa numbers ye de be di dwumani e 0203735820 and 0778793958 WhatsApp live ana eso na wo do messages ebefa ana so phone call befa 0203735820 to the bad I can kind Eddie amount and don't be caught out before say where act it ebe here pass say I feel for free moon will crack up some problem ever home. I was so suffer a lawyer now to be Eddie Ebwa.
Your grace
Sabre Yakwakofa Daneka. Hello, good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, darling Jeff Shapa.
I think come to your dad non say ho na I feel the same so near side etiasia ye no edim ponupu ewo dwumadi so.
Amen.
Now, bring your say, and how did you welcome the new year?
Oh, I said I wouldn't even lockdown, bro. Into be actually.
Oh, sir, Mr. Dada, maybe so, because I'll call you. Oh, it looks like if you have to say your subby, my casa say, but in a lighter no you.
Yeah,
you can imagine it's serious, but all the same, no. Young Quentina was say a bad sa, you know, a yara, a better sa. We say it's better than it's better late than nothing. It's better late than nothing. A babu I say you bet trying to say dance yen you bet sure young kwa. Into we are in the right direction, no matter what. And you did the
that's it.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Nah, yeah, chassis. At your for another more fab questions in Famra 0778-793-9958. And our person friends so 0203 735-8820. Wamra Daniel Eddie Baba could through the talk, no. And information is na hard so ye G na no good news ma yet here for say ya way ya kasa ya app your friend GN Radio UK app we call Apple Store over download no for free na ba bia wo bia uni excuse care mu wo office so what the bus be a human the least chance you have the opportunity to tune in and listen to us. Not just say you increase your listenership base, no. Baby, and also the beauty of it globally. Baby, unlike tuning since you're more restricted now in the regional base. Say tuning, you can now be to me to your tuning. Ghana, you could only listen to Ghanaian stations. Since you tuning now, to Ghana stations on tuning, just Ghana, America so the same. Until for that matter, no, it's wise to say, you be app, na globally, no. Ubia atumi ate yenka nti baby a no so si ana ye Ghana fo betumi atie ye e app America fo betumi atie ubia nti that's a good news for us ene ye nyina that dey quite 31st December 2020 Brexit transition period and emu asem fa bi boy.
Well, as seven now they are to honor 31st 2020 ejaba ewie sisia obiani bebia obiechina transition period no etwem. However, no, it's important say in for questions ne inyame bia omonti asie no yebetimi atu yebo na ya chechre mu because even though transition period na arbitrary no, there are still options available for yenuamo omo krum has say any nyama so moye CCR no. It's very important say for ebe to omo nyama eye because even though ye kase immigration sem no emu ebe America krano so no there are certain aspects emu eba be yedin and I say emu ba be much difficult until questions are during the Christmas period no any ye resume here that is and dra no nkrofo e won nkrofo adwin mo peso mo pisa and no na percent and yi ebi ano one of the major issues and other questions that a dank of one say hey into the CCR no say Meshia EU ni bi na me pese me worry na what are the modalities a kwan be na me fa so na metimi a worry no aye application e wo kroma say there are a number of options so we share EU ni now person worry no at this very moment it may be available to you it dream kofu bebre e prefer say eya ombe your application e wo UK has say instead of we catch almost say omunkofie no mon form application and continue. So it depends on what that individual no epe. If that individual no ni requirement and answer any expectation say obey me a year application will Chrome has said there then time very limited because from now I copy June 2021 no obey a year application under the EU settlement scheme no.
Okay.
However no it's very important say nipa na worry no say utimi show say aware no took place before 31st December 2020. That is the requirement. You know, so what worry will be August, worry October, worry November of last year. Now I'm fancy now person what the application into a kind of honor I'll wait to the application or atum. So and only a very important for some people. The reason why important for some of us, especially members of the community, is him say nkrofo bebre a worry e krom ha say no na efie aware in ye and most of the efie aware no it takes place back home ebi ohonoma ebusuafo no be kwa kohia e ofie be a month or two ago and sana o me decide say o be den o ba be register our into the data almost be yet our real no and as a movie na fie na our the same date and already yet registration. And only the key difference between gain FTA ain't the same date in our yet registration. And only the key difference between gain FTA. Yeah, hello, what's the cafe?
After the mete,
Okay.
ufi.
Na me kase ohwe yen efie aware na we have a number of dates ewo yen certificates and also.
Yes.
And dates that ewo yen certificates and also no there's a reason why we have those dates available on those marriage certificates. Ebi mu ebet na se ebutuafo ni be hia na oma ya ware no ansa na yakọ local authority and as a local assembly or ACO register. And for that reason, we have 2 dates on it. And at the moment, I catch and say deadline 31st December 2020. Very important say Okwakoye registration of married with fee aware. The dates you have this in mind so that you don't the deadlines that I say we're in MBT. Very important that if you are planning say obey our at this stage, and that's what worry will be that our person will do application to registration certificates now on if ever bro on the proper way with the proper date and also and yes application be out the two and yeah ebi mo so ebisa say na say bia inya before 31st December the still say we EU ni na owo ebusuani bi around or adult dependents possible say wetimi aye application ama nkrofo no and people want to know say 6 year na transition period na over no. Is it still possible say nkrofo no betimi aye application? The answer is yes, on betimi aye application. The reason why betimi aye application is a deadline e dia mom no say nipa na wo ye adult dependent ama no. So ora acronym before 31st December 2020, it is possible. Nipa na betimi aye application na akopin end of June 2021 at year can ho asem no. It's important say omombe application in the only difference that a woman is say we ye adult dependents ama obi and as a relative dependents a person we ye application e man na nipa ni eni krom ha dada but nipa ni ewu fear then it becomes difficult say a year application amana a rim. It is also possible say bia unye bi ba akwala bia wo ye arrangements so be kwa fa na efifie na everyone say unya will cost documents custody order documents are dated before 31st December 2020 then and also yeah possible say ubetimi aye application no amasa enipa no. We also have situations whereby CCR na ebi mo ho mo backroom ha say na omoje settlement scheme settle status ni wia na omefi kroni mu ebia ojeso ojiwie na okutina ne Italy ho ana okutina ne Holland ho anytime person owura kroni mu bia no obetimi ewrem. It's very, very important for people to understand that with the way the scheme is running at the moment, if you can see more are able to monitor entry and exit from the country. Into this, already settle status scheme, now so we now just so called na anytime they are pay then you may be running into difficulties because it's not acronym, it's not outside the country for more than 6 months with pre-settled status now will continuous residence now ability to indefinitely to remain. It breaks breaking into the 1 year a good time I'll be application for indefinite and as a settled status now a bit me are affected. These are some of the issues that application and the settled status and a settled scheme at the moment they need to be very, very, very particular about, and yes sir everything I could say problems are more. Then we also have more Zambrano applications and I say because a derivative residence card my provision for them say more application for more indefinite more settled status scheme so derivative residence card maybe because now oba a British national na the man say J 5 years nothing na krum has here. It's very 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 important say you take your documents and go and see your lawyer at this stage and see what options are available to you before 30th June 2021 or ebeba, because one free announce a deadline or a paho a jawa everything cause big problems ama or derivative residence card and I say or Zambrano application and the amount has said that. Moving on from that settled scheme, and to other matters that is here, relevant, and so it's here for a share and so. The fact said, at the moment, almost a little bit difficult with applications. So we application first, we application echo na a invalid application. Ja efficacy for a BN say, almost best send the letter at their bro. No about 10 days. No matter say, application are we here, invalid. Application are we here, when you do the right form. Application are we here, when you have the right fees. Into the amount 10 days, say with our fees, and the amount 10 days is say, submitted the appropriate form for the type of application. So, new immigration rules now about, especially under work permit and as a work status rules now at the moment. What they are saying is that if we hear application using the wrong form, we hear application paying the wrong fees, instead some catch us application invalid in the amount of 10 days. Now I rectify problem. You can't say application invalid. They will reject it and bring your documents back to you.
Wow.
Important change, very 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 important for Yenyama Omwokrum. The reason is unye application as a rejected application the documents everyone. Your free big section 3C leave. Section 3C leave, first application at demo now it is being considered. Section 3C leave in a trace say unye illegal ewokrumha. Section 3C leave in a trace say unye overstay ewokrumha. What the Home Office have done with these changes, and they say, so we hear the wrong application here reject here, was section 3C leave a su eka, until what be overstay. Until some applications be an anchor first, ubetini aye ewokrumha without you having to go back home. And as a waiting aye juma whilst your application is being considered, automatically, it becomes curtailed. Ultimately, and to also any juma view, and as ultimately to also rectify a problem, without you going back home to make an application. Obviously, there's at that stage, no abeye overstay. With these key changes are on my year with the immigration rules, it becomes even more important. Say any application via ube seek legal advice, because if you get it wrong, it may cause problems with brain amount. I remember a typical example. In Chile, 6 months or to a year ago, we had a viral text message, any video, echo around say, who a British national child, has here. Yeah, my indefinite leave to remain. Your application form, you hope from one of the form the bed, bro. Now I feel any amount indefinite. Meanwhile, not any correct, but in probably they went ahead to make those applications, and those applications has become invalid. Those applications were invalid applications. Now, if you do that application, you're rejected, you become illegal. If you do that, it becomes rejected and you become illegal. A very, 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 very imperative and important for Yenya no say before obey application going forward. And this first now you rejected, we are wrong form, no ma fro or ma show letter bro say G na shena system na far bro. We are rejected and now you're wrong form. That's all your application. You're rejected. You become an overstayer. You become an illegal immigrant, and it becomes much difficult for you. Say over to also a whilst your application is being considered.
Okay, I see. That sounds good. Anyway, if I went too quickly, I'm saying your phone lines, for some reason it's not getting through. And then more person more friend ubetumi afre WhatsApp line is equally good. WhatsApp line the mobile or no quite easy and straightforward for you, I believe. Into a WhatsApp line now, you bet to me up pick you was so. Your lawyer, you fire first question, Emra Nafi, Yentuaso. We say on a wife almost separate na oti the baby and na ne omo akwala na di 4 na the wife ama kwada no ne bema no say the wife na ema akwada ne no wofa akọ Ghana without ono ne knowledge na osi Christmas yi mu na ko pese wo frɛ akwada no wish no happy birthday. Sorry, or wishing happy new year. Na or no wife no, ex-wife no, deny access. Not knowing say akwadano or the akwadano the bano ama on no wafaku Ghana out or bana more or no namani. In fact, or you're happy with it. What any legal option or why also to me taking upon the ex-wife?
Straightforward. A band of family in Samoa, even though you're spending much time on it in program, so discussing family issues. One area we know say your community, affecting crophobic brain. And I'm very happy say you are not able to come and ask such a question. What people need to understand, and I said yes, and for as say a bano in Kuala Eukrum Hasia, the default position of the law is that Bemane or Bani Nyano have entitlement, say, on access to their children. And I say, Omubeshe Omumba. Unfortunately, if our rejai ebemu na separation ebemwa, ebi ohonoma na akwala no akodi maame ne nkyɛn na akwala no akodi papa ne nkyɛn, and then in same say it me ba na ebi mu afa akwala no be the etu kwan. So omo de akwala no etu kwan, you need to make an application to the family court. Na obetimi aye application to the family court and request the court to order the mother not to go and bring that child from Ghana or wherever where the akwala no akono. Straightforward. If she refuses, so in contempt of court, fine, crown pool. So it is very, very, very serious matter.
Mammy, say was say Obano Bob Papa Naman say or Mammy Bane Ekugana now without
not necessarily. You see, all Boa Manier, any on Boa Manier, a bu honoma. The woman and as Obano, everything Akase, as far as she was concerned, she thought say already you would agree. There was no need for her to tell you. But like I say, or catch shell now open. So as to whether say or back catch and not catch, what we need is at this very moment, Papa and Pesa and everything in Ghana. So say Papa and Pesa akwala Ghana dia, then what we need to do is first and foremost write to the woman and tell her our position. Say akwala na odena kotina Ghana na mesrel mempeso betina Ghana ho no metikofane na fanebra. Most of the time no say bano ebusuan sema, you will realize that discussion will normally yield better fruits, and I said to me, yielded good results. A letter or a discussion might mean say without any issue. When that discussion fails, that is when the court system comes in, because if akwalano all the life with na krum has say nane papa wa ha ne mame wa ha, what is the explanation or what is the reason why such people will want to take such a child back home? Normally, the status quo has to remain. There must be a very good justification whereby the court will think, say, in the interest of the child, say, you be ne papa ho, ne uncle, and most of the time, it is not possible for you to justify that unless you say there is some circumstances where the mother can be able to present to the court to be able to convince the court say, oh, it was in the interest of the child say you be in a finima menene papa ho eukuma did not na baby Ghana. I can't think of any reason at this very moment whereby a judge will be convinced say in the interest of that child. No, yin your bema na yeah this a didn't know ne ba if you has say without his knowledge. No. All that he needs to do is to go to the court with me a year application for special.
Mami ntiri ma say or say mami kan bibi or say a holiday. Wo hu say o che so oba no kwan kan kire no. Or patches wo hu say akwada no wo hu akwada no social media. Any akwada ne uncle, any ex-wife ne brother. Our mako holiday during the Christmas. Yeah, he doesn't even know the date. I'm leaving UK call Ghana.
So
let
me put.
I'm saying when I'm saying we are also taking legal action. I think that's what the question means. Yeah.
You see, the position of the law is say if only akwala active, okay, ebia papa ne bema, papa ne papa active. Now they are almost separate. Now akwala ewomo. However, you decided say akwala ne betina ma chair. You are entitled. What akwala ne to unchain. You are entitled so the akwala no ebe call holidays. You are entitled so the akwala ebe call holidays up to 30 days normally. Waiting the akwala without writing to Bearman to seek for permission. It is a Bearman is not happy so much call holiday. Emremuno obani nyebone because
I think that's what it means according to
yes because in the interest of the child say obeko holidays it is a akola to chain na wona wo share akola day to day na we decide say what the akola able to kwan fe na effect say obebo the other parents na money and son na what the akola na ako. However, if one boss up parents na money now the akola na echo for only a few days, ebia up to 30 days umbu emra to be aye into the papa need me enye on that stage. However, if 30 days ni e between now 2 months 3 months so ni enfa akola na emba back up, then uwo right now we call court no could demand they say on be yi akwala na efi Ghana hold no be na back chromasi and the extra entitlement.
Okay. I think if now answer the question right away. I think that's what it means anyway. Yeah, that's it. My man say I'm say full lines no play up kakra. So na do I don't know why. Intertier for am on Facebook so mo betumi dem issues and concerns mo betumi atapping or wall no na fi ya kenkan e de amamo na alternative mo betumi use WhatsApp line no which is 0778 793 9958 0778 793 9958 what send text ba and as WhatsApp you betumi akenkan ubetumi afro no so na you take it that stress off us now line on 020 to keep trying say it's playing up a bit but all the same no everything's okay. Well, I'm happy I'm still getting messages here when to say good morning Lawyer Kwe and Dalinje and happy new year to you with mama List or say on the crew aware na okunu no emra oye omo gina akoda no so na omo de ye odinya 2.5 and a marriage certificate na sisi ode be ma no eni hobi enti no omo ni hobi be ma no anye ama no eju so kwaji ni indefinite be ma no anye ama no enti e was so sa reverse ogina ne ba no ne ba wadi 6 so and this year application for another 10-year route. Intino Sisiano Wakoye Amaya Samana 2.5 years. She's got a long way to go. Just it's gone back to 10-year route. Now I was say we not indefinite, but because of them and I am an intino. So besides say Sisiano 10.5 route say what is there no way I'll bet to me as I short 2 years no.
There's a way of it me a shorten route now or woman up to 5-year routes. it's unfortunate, and I say ABA NIPA or advice say or one a year application at the time the process NIPA it take year and Tina ABA she finds herself in the current circumstances. A being so na at the time na all your application ne juma sem any requirements 1 or 2 honoma she was not able to meet at the time. However, if she was able to meet those requirements at that time, it may have been possible, say, Anka over Twaso with a 5-year route, at the time Nana all year renewal, without going to 10-year routes in the first place. So that 10-year routes, 5-year routes, wena eya debia. Well, a problem. So our 5-year route, 10-year routes, it's really causes problems for people. Some legal practitioners cramp, contain problems and more. They don't know how to deal with it. They don't know what processes that they have to do. Open application. Now you are not too sure. Say you do better 10-year route, so you do better 5-year route, so and I say look, please seek legal advice. That's my best thing. If or any concerns bear as to which route our lawyer and other will air to swap, no proper explanation. I always advise people say it is very, 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 very good. Say at any opportunity, Biana Ubinyano, you do better 5-year route so. Because you don't 5-year rules so Ubinya will indefinite end term. Exactly. So I encourage any client, any person that I meet, say you better try as much as possible, say your application and mawa, your application and you do 5-year routes soon. Unfortunately, and you biana a possible say you bet your more atos 5-year routes, so either say they are not earning the minimum required income. They don't have the English language required way test, and they don't have certain things. If you are no grandpa, not financially, visa fees, he doesn't have it, so it becomes a problem. So it's all those circumstances that leads to people going back to that 10-year route. My advice is one, seek advice at the earliest opportunity, especially if back room has say with our rear spouse visa, the back room has say. Now, if you have spouse visa and also different routes, so you have to just make sure, say, and I say, with problems about Montemwa. Me catching professor Ben paying my visa name for you to now say, hey, then I say me yet to renew my visa. As soon as I will realize it, say, a quite fast so I would initial visa. Problems about it may be advisable, it may be good practice, say, over friend or lawyer to discuss the issue, because your lawyer may be able to advise you, say, okay, because of Ovis and Ibewu in a year's time, you bear XY things before Ovis and Ibewu, so that they can maintain the roots now also. But over 1 day, 2 days, 3 days to the time will currently live no Ibewu. Now see or say this, yeah, that Nieman can wait me a year now. Not do I maintain this 5-year route, so wait me a year amount, not just a shift work or 10-year route. Yeah, baby, say. Ube 5-year route, so no after 10 years.
Kind of punishment.
Yes, you can say because you have a visa application renewal. Any application you are looking at about £2,600 or £2,700 for each application, let alone your legal fees. Every application has become very expensive. It is me one application and 2 applications. So indefinite in term. It will save you a lot of money. It is very, very important. Say at any opportunity, Obia will think seriously about how waiting if it's a 10-year route, no about 5-year route. So unless say a financial circumstance, does not permit you to come on that 5-year route.
Okay, I'm familiar with this question. I'll say hello, good morning, lawyer. I would like to ask a question. Also, I've done my fingerprint and have gotten my COA. I would like to ask what will I need to register for my NI?
Well, national insurance requirements in India, I always say a DWP, Department for Works and Pension, na a responsible for it. Over the years and over the months, I have come to understand, say, every department and I say every branch and I say whoever you speak to, may have something different to tell you. Say when for way bra and for way bra, or better say so waiting by a farmer or actual residence permit and a biometric card then by a farmer. Another person will call within the letter near the amount. It becomes very difficult for me to sit here and advise people how they can obtain a more national insurance number. May advise a people, they say if we certificate of application na ABBA na utimi enya letter from a lawyer to confirm say or passports, they have seen the original one which they sent to the home office. No more attached at the mount. Now utimi amount utimi proof of address and then proof say you are actively looking for work and you need a national insurance to continue working and now to continue looking for work. And you're more likely than not say the national insurance number not every month.
Okay.
Say try not obviously on GIA. You can always try again because as I've said, it depends on who you go and meet there and how difficult that person is. But what's certificate of application and what you need to understand that they say Rama who quite say we use it as a certificate of application at their page and Rama who quite says we need national insurance number. What the beg or documents from Akope Ejuma ubeti me apply to Department for Works and Pension. Number. Sometimes you may initially be able to use your temporary number, which normally will be your date of birth plus or 6 TN, and then you can use that one to even start working in the first place. After when you will first pay slip, with media account at the Department for Works and Pension, and most of the time, once they've seen that you have already started working, it will be very difficult for them to say they are not going to accept your application for national insurance number because they have seen that in reality you're indeed looking for a job, and for that reason, they need to give you something to work with.
Okay. Hello. Wakati. Nami will be wa so now I drop. Sorry about that. Okay. Offer for nipa offer no obetumi asa free back. Sorry about that. Na lawyer explanation been to number no drop into no. Obetumi asa free bium. Yes, I think our abefidence so high GN radio. Yene Daniel Coy, our lawyer Penny Emma Fortwell Solicitors. Kukudam lawyers omugo English abruchi ha and I twetwen komo Fortwell Solicitors. Any issue a family law, immigration, asylum, employment, civil litigation, with some probity what the 2 hour more be to me no Eddie in Kitahon issues home. Also, please with your N9 where your Facebook nipa making kind of message on Facebook in TTN might be ugly. I say please with your NI, just use only your COP and hey. That is when you pack lawyers for Facebook. Diba ne answer question na obi di about the question na I say me say be a dipa ne writer. I say please with your NI just use only your COP and it's COA and certificate of application is COA. Yeah, just COP. Also, COA. Also, please use your NI. Just use only your COA, but one COP, which is wrong. And passport. First, call them for an appointment and it will work. Thank you very much for your help. We appreciate that. But the end, my lawyer answer first because answer says the answer also COP, and yes COP. I don't know. Say that's something like COP there.
Another issue then, so they say most people are mobile certificate of application, only passport. Including what the certificate of application or passports, call NI, because at the time I'll be certificate of application. The reason why I work certificate of application is home office for that so consider our application. What the application I call more and on the certificate of application amount say the way not can whilst we do proper investigation and assessment of your application. At the time I'll be certificate of application, now passports need me. It won't because all the passports in the air. That's the reason why I make say sometimes say lawyer no ever mouth with true certified copy of a document now. Then it may be possible say oh dear no better ever come instead and they are called J or national insurance number.
Okay. Yo, yeah, will be well. Ahman, so young father now one tianko. Hello, good morning.
Hello, officer. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Same to you. Ahine.
Let them go to me. Check out. I'm booming in Ambassador. You make a see a more work and community. I mean, Sham. Every time we see it, you da. I mean, Sham. I'm baby and go. I'm watching Casaja. I'm betting Busala Casavanaro.
You're a crowd that how to do. Ahine.
Yo. Let them go to your bonnet. Many obey to share Mugunibi a 1 night stand. And no better can say 1 year. So, I'm so cloning there, so about you, I'm so okay, my say. There, I know, my intending to block home for base station. So, we know, any be 2 months and work friend. So, friend, we had an acid old friend. And now, also, my woman said, I was at home, papa. And I'm simply come on, I'm a present account friend. Me was not a block from American, me here so me be my pro I'll be on you know, me be my pro order, and you know, for that name, but I'm so okay, me Africa, yeah, me papa my friend, me bad day, my friend. I'm so okay, me or doubt to a community, on me, deal. To cut out an bano, my papa come 4 times, you call him my top pamper, my top SMA, my support entirely, the Makoma, to receipt in the and I am a brown of friends who is steady, Madame the man who is 30 foot number the man's own fund to not to shake a class. I can't bear a ban my friend fully. As you know, what our friend say, may step for up for a pan a lot beside the perfect hard maintenance. Meanwhile, also, a woman couldn't be more crown, one family being with 2 moment and the passport, so one family being for so one mama money, but also the new hard maintenance. In the same way, than Chris say, but also by the only I wouldn't say no, but not because time maintenance. This will mean name, and I did say better no much now after to Sika. And then, dear, I'm best lawyer, actually, Muka for time maintenance. But this was do quite in a better as well. And one thing to say.
Yo, but Mammy, this is our question. Aquala, one crata, some extent. Do you need Aqualano for one crata and now?
I told Debbie. No, me crata.
One crata, okay. Say oh krata dada na say obi awuba but when you sure say oba the best thing is say way for no child maintenance for no contact so obeka strong say o dispute say when oye akola na papa into you are calling say DNA will be done before you make any payment, and it's entirely your right. You can wait me ISR application to them to assess your right. Another option they are available to you, so they say obey your application at family court, your free BB declaration of parentage. Court and declare say wona indeed no oye akwala ne papa. In doing so, no abia obepese or the other issues be ebeka and only a friend specific issues. Abia opese ye de udin eto akwala because ebia udin any akwala so ma mena no why then or they need din one file send name crampo anka into all those things in the specific issues are wait me at the account application. Within that application it may be financially prudent and as a better say obey your application for be a friend a child arrangement order, meaning say the days I open akwala ne eba won chain obe pese obe formalize until say bia pese akwala ne eba won chain once every month and as oba won chain once every 2 weeks or they sa we an application also ebeka ho. So there are a number of things that you are doing in the same application. One ope say omo order DNA na DNA confirms 100% say ona akwala ne papa If that is done and the court declares that oh, papa, you also want your name to be put on the child. You also want to know, say, oh, person who are this day, many to me fro, non can't also penny Emma who are on the particular day you want to. These are some of the options for you. In the meantime, you can clearly tell child maintenance say you dispute say you are the father of the child, and they will not force you section your child maintenance for somebody when you're 100% convinced or now you're akolano papa.
Okay, the ever say from one, yes, I'm putting na me extra franco to so yes, I know.
They will always give you opportunity for you to, because normally, until they're kind, the Chrome has said, your percent in most of this. Your percent obane obema aomawo akwalano and kamubecho mu say bosumi bia mema £100 and abosumi bia mema £1,000 na wo dey ahwe akwalano. However, entiasie anye juma na child maintenance ebe set in na omono be force mo say kotua sika we na so when you ebe tfi wo payslip mu direct near the ama oban. So it's very, very important that during the process, child maintenance ever contact you engage the process, you play parts in the process. Obi ohonoma let us in the background on responding on DH but it's very, very, very important that when they call you, when they write letters to you, you respond to them, you engage the process. Then you can put across your point of view, what your fears and worries are, especially when the whole situation now when you're too sure say when now you're akolano papa no bia now bia the way who akolano on sell and I say features bia you expecting, you are not seeing that clearly. You can request for DNA to prove say ampa papa before we just get, because what you don't want this year ube just can later or finding out say akolane nya uba not just with just you don't want to be spending money unnecessarily. It's very, very important say you are clear on your mind say akolana with Jessica man no uba answer with Jessica no.
Okay, lawyer. That's and lastly, when you consider the full name, it's near on the feminine no passport, so you need the will be more mama maybe.
And the Rebecca has some later.
But you, me that's you.
Baba. Laya, my man for free Facebook, Umranafi, your test being so ha. Where your Facebook question or say, my cousin worked for about 10 years in the UK, then moved back to Ghana. He's a German citizen. He's now sick, kidneys shut down, so he's on dialysis 3 times a week, so can't travel to the UK to claim his pension. He's 62 years old. What can be done, please?
Oh, say cousin no na Ghana na oye juma wa hana say clearly or qualify for pension e then what he can possibly do is obema obia owokrum has say power of attorney.
Okay.
Na or this power of attorney na ako access the pension that is requesting for most of the time if the individual no any krum has say and answer we are the efficacy move and we pension people are very reluctant to give money out because they don't know, so be the AG on his behalf and I or no one casa. But whatever be the case, I believe say it will be possible say Obama power of attorney, and then they will seek legal advice and as a financial advice from a financial advisor or never to me abomo a plan on the faso na omakoje pension. But power of attorney is all that they need.
Okay, excellent. We used to say, hi, good morning, lawyer. My name is Debbie. We need the earning here, don't worry. And I see Opeso Bisa. Ne mame ababesrano on with the visitor's visa. No person who say a quan bed no be to me. Ama ne mame stay longer on EU route. Onye na so be
abesrano on visitor's visa.
Wababesrano with the visitor's visa. So see opese otra who stay with the EU route. There no be to me aye.
See that I made sure beginning of the program, we are EU national. Na our family member be such as Omame na Obama eba krum ha before 31st of December. Then it is possible say over to me application under the settlement scheme, if you can prove say or depending on what so when I will share it's not a problem. Application is straightforward. You will share with circumstances and will advise you on the necessary documents. So what they come on now, what the year application, the most important thing is what prove say yes or what prove say we are EU national, what prove say we are acronym before 31st of December, and we are good to go. Your application, Amo.
Good, excellent. When you say, or say good morning, lawyer. Oh, maybe. Sorry. Also, good morning, lawyer. Please, I have applied for EEA family permit for my wife, but there's a mistake on the marriage certificate. With this state that I am a divorcee, what will I do? I have the divorce certificate. Hey, where they are no educator.
Yeah, na we say marriage certificate idea application if you know we need to be very very careful. My dream was me no say so we marriage certificate if you about almost 9 out of 10 now mistakes also. My dream home but that is the reality we face. So man go for marriage certificate Emmawa and mistakes also. Say mistake was so that in our year application you have a number of options. Either say withdraw application, rectify the problem and then reapply. That is one of the options.
Now our address so be lusu ni fees.
Oh, there be so we application for family permit. It's also an application for family permit. Application for family permit a free. You don't pay home office fees.
Okay.
And we withdraw that affect you that much. But that is one of the options that are available to you. And yes, then you have to just let the application follow its natural process. Say nyame anya wadom na they should find out say their mistake is there. Not based on that you refuse. Yeah, then you appeal the refusal. No, and during the appeal process, then you bring the corrected marriage certificate version. Now they are here appeal process. And just say appeal process, especially so ko be fi amanoni aba nipa ni krum ha na ko fa na fi Ghana e de aba na you refuse to application as of so your appeal. Na a longer process. It will take a year and sign a winner court date. We normally don't like the route or the idea of going through the process of having to go through appeal. They say ne pape moi, you prefer say baby be the right way now the application at the first time. Me advice am the bema yin at this stage you need say Brexit a sweet trap you transition anymore. You need to be more person with application deadlines. Their application. It's very, very, very important. Say in as much as you rush to do applications, yen documents so that we can get it right the first time. Because marriage certificates a lot of issues also. Now there are homes in the crown when they say other lawyers are almost in Ghana. For even Ghana for no name what the marriage is supposed to look like. But when Ghana for nobody not aware because they don't see the marriage certificates a lot. Into where the problems may be coming from. Into so our real marriage certificate application. So make sure that you get second eye to view the documents to make sure say bibia e won e kwanso answer the application after because the problem bahwa rectifying it and it can be much problematic for the individual and expensive as well.
Okay, you. Oh yeah, mlena content mamenti ase kra. Wow, say yemre no enya ayebe ne say new presenter waba enyo no anke bi e bobo kakra gusu na ayentente mama. Saudi wafide no to ha ene ye ne Fortwell Solicitors ye dan ye kɔ lawyer penny pa or ye solicitor or saso ye director if we say director na ohwehwɛ ye Fortwell Solicitors for omo North London say o ka oba London omo North side of London Clarendon Road 50A Clarendon Road Katerina House Unit 1 ground floor ho e no mo postcode no see London N8 ODJ from office hours see and 5th of January 2020 Juma course whether lockdown or no lockdown like some of you say in spite of the news about some of Juma.
Oh yes, for Yeti for Moutier, our person will contact here and after whether lockdown or don't lockdown, yeah, we are open for business. From March 2020, almost at the initial lockdowns in India, we have still been open. And I mean, Chadom, we are regarded as offering essential service. You know, if you are traveling from home to go and see your lawyer, it's regarded as essential travel. Okay, good. While you can tell them
that sounds good. That sounds good.
Yes, that's accepted. Until we are open, either face to face, we comply with COVID-19 processes in making sure say you are safe and we are safe. If we will be or prefer say remote consultation as well. We have the facilities there with me, and I hear either Zoom or WhatsApp video calls or whatever you are comfortable with. Our consultation.
Thank you.
So they free consultation, so you don't need to come and pay us money when you're coming to see us initially. Very, very important because that's what differentiates us from others. If you're coming to see us, or any questions, which rewarding so on TSC or clarification, or second opinion, whatever the situation is, offer a free consultation, and we will be more than happy to assist you during these difficult times. Immigration changes in the doors will be brain next week, the other ones will be about trigger. But very, very important. Or any question, whether I say a family law, immigration, civil litigation, employment, probates, wills and probates. So give us a call and we'll be more than happy to say
until we give them a call, the next number near 0203 3257 030. Number open so free mobile 079 44 976 161. I repeat 079 44 976 161. Bomodia from Enkwe Emane Nyansa Wafre. Nti Ofrecha, they will be happy to welcome you and help you and assist you in any other way. Opesa or master, they are there to assist you. Nti dasane yebesan yeshia ewad. Daniel kwa dasane fine gentleman or you brofo say Dr. Eric Morton. And Saukano, Eric Morton.
Oh, yes, okay.
Yeah. Or no, Nebetram from next week. See, he's our new morning show host, Monday to Thursday. Nyami Adoma, next week, or no Betram, unless we are available, just me and my Betram at the amount. Inti Majao at the amount, Eric Morton from next week, Tuesday, same time. And I wish you Happy New Year again.
You as a fan.
All right. And you do busy. All right. Yeah, the Jumedi, abe na Yapon, Nyami Adoma, that's ene Eric Morton, ene Daniel Kwe Ebishim for Legal Hour, G and Radio. Coming up next is DJ Amani Mix Back on a Tuesday morning. Stay tuned in for more.
Yo, Ghana for you want English approach my moha. Ya sweady. Yenya emranim fo a won akwadare wo emranim a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer fo entimi ne no mo yem fa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranim akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan won krata na se wedi edron so a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia na de eni kan wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.